Okay, this is going to be a comparison video of the Bernzomatic TS8000 trying to heat up a piece of steel versus a Harbor Freight torch that I just got. Now this one, I tried this yesterday. I had this all sealed up in a small thing, and it gets hot, but only a small area. To heat up something like this with a torch like this, it's really futile. It's a waste of propane and a waste of time. Unless you've got I didn't have the fire bricks set up like this. I had them set up so it was only a little chamber for the knife, but even still, it was I had it all sealed up, and it took forever, and only one portion of the blade got actually hot, whatever the torch was right on. So now we're going to step to torch I just picked up for 17 bucks from Harbor Freight. This is the weedburnin torch right here, and it hooks straight to your propane tank. And when you hook this up, if you get one of these, I don't recommend Teflon tape on these threads. What I recommend is a pipe dope. That's good stuff. Like this. Right here. This stuff is great. It's called Blue Magic Industrial Grade Pipe Thread Compound. 100 times better than Teflon tape. It resists everything. Gasoline, natural gas, propane, you name it. Water, high pressure, high heat, hydraulic oil, everything. Just a coating on the male threads, spin it together. You don't use any Teflon tape or anything on the propane end side of it. I'll show you that quick. Right there you can see how it hooks to the propane tank. It just spins in. It's a reverse thread. Tighten it up as tight as you can get it by hand. Give it a half a turn with a wrench. You're done. If you hear it creaking, don't go any further. You know, a little bit of a creak when it's tightening up is fine, but brass compression fittings like that do not need pipe compound on a propane tank. So with that said, let's get to cooking. This is my first time using this torch. I did not get the one with the electric piezo thing in it just because it's just as easy to use a lighter to light it. And this one seems to have more air holes around here than the other one does, the piezo one. So I'm thinking this one might burn a little hotter. So I'm going to fire it up. Goes out, just start it again. It would help if I had the gas valve on in the propane tank. Well, that's crazy. Let's see what happens. I'm going to step back. It's got me a little nervous. Almighty. On a windy day, this is not the torch you want to use outside. You want to adjust it so it's a blue flame with just a hint of yellow at the end, and then we'll turbo it up. I gotta step back a little bit. I'm too close to this thing. I don't want to wreck my camera either. Hopefully you could see how red that was, but it's this is on an extremely windy, it's about 10-20 mile an hour winds out here, and I'm in an open forge with the torch getting that sumbitch red hot, cherry hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enclose this, and I got an idea. I saw a video from a guy, I got to get his name. I got to give him credit because his came out really good and works for what I want to do. So once I get his name, I'm going to put this all together the right way and burn it up. We'll see if I can't get this baby red hot. Okay, I did a little reconfiguration, made a little hole in the top, little chimney. I cracked one of the bricks while I was drilling it, and because I went too thin on the sidewall. But you can see how hot you can get it with this torch. This is just on idle. You want to keep that hot. Works pretty well for heating up some steel if you want to do a little bit of heat treatment.